OPGN stock spiked from the lows of $0.33 to around $3.55 at some point in this session of today, the 12th of October 2023. Do that math, it's around 150%. So the trading has also been halted for some time now, approaching the best part of around 20 minutes or even more. So it's plunged from those highs sharply and has continued to cool off now, just holding steady at $2.2471. So even at this price, it's still a gain of $569.64. The volume so far is holding steady at 37.816 million shares. The trading might still be going on elsewhere, but the reason behind this is that the company indicated yesterday that it received an advance payment of around $791,000 for the sale of its Unyvero A50 systems to a strategic partner. And I think that system is something that's used for diagnosing illnesses and all diseases and all that stuff in a very short time, in a very short period. But in any case, it's really dramatic. The stuff we saw, when I actually saw it, I thought it was just a stock split, but it wasn't a stock split. It is a real spike. It is a real spike, So, but at the same time as well, the company is also trying to raise some funds. They're trying to raise some funds. Maybe the people who are the party that is they're selling these 1,000 shares to are probably the ones behind. They may have they may have engineered the spike we're looking at right now. But in any case, that's what's going on right now. It's been halted. No activity yet, no action yet. Halted for some time now, and let's see what's going on here. We can see we are looking at this has to be the ask side. These guys are asking to come in. They're asking to buy. You can see they are these guys are asking to sell. Yes, asking to sell. You can see $4.05 trading has been the halt has been lifted now. Okay, and it has crashed. You can see all of those have changed. So these guys are asking to definitely sell. I want to believe, yes, they are asking to sell. Yeah, you can see they are entering higher prices, whereas the stock is actually collapsing, dropping, losing value. And these guys are asking to buy. You can see they're quoting lower prices. We are looking at right now 1.74, 1.68. 38 around 1 billion shares have already crossed the tape just within within less than a minute, less than a few seconds, But of course, obviously, a lot was going on. A lot of all those orders were on hold while it was halted, So this is where all the aggression plays out here. This is the side of the order book where all the market orders are going through. So you can see that they are all going through at nearly the same price as the stock itself, So let's see what's going on here. Let's see, it's holding on. Okay, let's have a look and see what's going on here with OpGen and see what they are saying about its. Let's see what they're saying about its what's going on with its OPGN. Let's see, OPGN. Let's see what's going on. While we are there, we come back and see what it's trying to do. It's not still holding up. Momentum is trying to improve. Momentum is trying to improve. This is coming up. While we wait for it, we see what's going on. Let's return to the order book. We're almost getting to another to 39 million shares. Another 2 million having crossed the tape in less than 2 minutes. Okay, it's dropping. Aggression. You can see the red. These guys are the ones in red are probably the ones that are selling and taking their money off the stock. Let's see. OPGN, this is a 1 minute chart. It's up. See the projections of all the way to $6.23, and the projection right now is a projection that it's going to, on its 10-minute moving average. It's projecting a spike to $3.13, and then another collapse will happen, and then if another a plunge all the way down. It's projected will plunge all the way down to 1.25. Let's look at the 5-minute chart and see what the projections are saying. 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart is projecting weakness all the way down to 1.63. Okay, let's look at the 1-hour chart and see what's going on there. On the 1-hour chart, it's plunge as well, and it's 10-hour moving average. The projections are way above. It hasn't even reached. It hasn't reached them yet. The projections of it has a projection of the most upper projection of 4.41 on this 1-hour chart. But right now, everything that is predicted is weakness all the way down to 0. Okay, that's really ambitious. That's really deep, 0.2268, and a rebound of to 0.4471. Okay, let's look at the 1-day chart and see what's going on here. On the 1-day chart, it's blown through all of its upper projections. Had an upper projection of 1.1. So it's trading above that. Let's look at the 1-week chart and see what's going on with okay, nothing is predicted, nothing's projected. On the 1-week chart, we have okay, there are some projections, but they are really ambitious. 57.66. Okay, let's look at the 1-month chart. Okay, nothing as such. Okay, let's return to the 1-day chart. It's not fascinating there, not interesting, not interesting at all. Okay, let's look at the 45-minute chart. Just like the 1-hour chart, it's also predicting weakness, and then it has that upper projection of $4.4. Yeah, let's see. Let's return and look at the order book. Trading halted again. It rebounded. I actually saw it print $2 or thereabouts. So yeah, so market participants are not giving up. They're not giving up on the stock. I see momentum has reached its peak of around 100, on this 14 period slow stochastic scale. So it's going to be halted, I guess, again for a reasonable length of time. So OPGN, let's see, we have it's on this 1-minute chart that we have the most ambitious of projections. So, and then the auto regression is also that was projected 3.1, but the halting might change everything. But we have this upper projection of $6.24. Below that we have 4.73. Below that we have 4.22. Below that we have 3.82. Below that we have 3.53. Below that we have 3.24. So right, okay, it's now it's okay. Below that is we have the 2.89. So this is the nearest upper projection it has. But there's also a projection which is a downward one, which is 2.33. So it's slight. Okay, it's actually an upper projection because it's halted at 2.28. So 2.32 is an upper projection, but there's a downward projection on all the way down to 0.8177. This is the 1-minute chart for OPGN, strongly bullish. Good news good news concerning the audits and advanced payment received, and so probably they are trying to take advantage of they're trying to take advantage of the transaction, and probably raise more funds and all that stuff. So I definitely want to believe that the party that is going to lend them the money are behind this huge spike of all the way to even 950% again. So just be careful and know how you're going to play this one, or how you're playing this one, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.